Hello, my name is Tim Sullivan. I'm the general manager at Village Station, and today I'm going to show you our Winter Wonderland Mule, a nice festive holiday cocktail we've got as a specialty during the holiday season here. So we're going to start. We're going to take fresh cranberries. I'm going to take 5 of them and just drop them into the glass here. And we're going to muddle them up. Just smash them up nice and good. After that, we're going to add 1.5 ounces of local party animal vodka, made right here in town. And we'll do 1 ounce. This is a house-made toasted cinnamon and ginger syrup. It's very nice ginger spice to it. We char the cinnamon before we do it, get it really nice and give that good cinnamon warmth in the cocktail. After that, we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, never from a bottle. And we're gonna give it some ice. And we're gonna shake briefly. We don't wanna add too much water from the ice. We just wanna mix all the ingredients and get them nice and lightly chilled. And we'll add a little more ice and a little bit of carbonated soda water. And then we're just gonna pour back into the shaker, into our glass. We'll add a couple cranberries on top. And the last step is a little bit of fresh rosemary. Really add some aroma and make this look like a Christmas tree. And that's the Winter Wonderland Mule.